A radius meets a tangent at 90 degrees. Angles in the same segment are equal. An angle in a semicircle is always 90 degrees.
This one says that the diagram shows a circle of center 0. If angle STR is given as 29 degrees and RST equals to 46 degrees, RST, then calculate the value of STO. STO, that's this, calculate this. Note that step 1, angle RST is equal to angle ROT, angle on the same segment. Angle on the same segment. Then ROT, is an isosceles triangle since they all span from this radius to the same distance. So this is equals to this. So in order to find this angle and this whole angle, remember this 29 is just for here. But if you want to find the total of these angles, remember total angle in a triangle is 180 degrees. Therefore, you write 80 minus 46, 180 minus 46, and then whatever you get as your answer, divide by 2. Total angle in a triangle is 180, subtract 46 degrees, and then divide by 2. So this is 67 degrees. So that means here is 67, and the total of all of these is 67. And then since we're looking for STO will be 67 minus 29. Your answer is 38 degrees.
A radius meets a tangent at 90 degrees. Angles in the same segment are equal. An angle in a semicircle is always 90 degrees.
Since angle ZYW is equal to 33, find ZWX. So angle ZYW equals to angle ZXW, angle on the same segment. So we've established the fact that ZYW equals to ZXW, which is because they're all on the same segment with ZYW. So this ZXW will also be equals to 33 degrees. Then this is supposed to be 90 degrees. You know why? This angle is the angle formed in a semicircle. In a semicircle, one of the angles is a 90 degree. So when you make a triangle, you form a triangle in a semicircle where all the edges are touching the circumference, one of them at the total end away from the diameter becomes 90 degree. One of the angles that is away from the diameter is 90 degrees. So this is 90 plus 33, then plus A. Total sum of angle in a triangle is 180. So 180 minus 90 plus 33 will give you A. So this gives us 57 degrees. That means our angle ZWX equals to 57 degrees.
A radius meets a tangent at 90 degrees. Angles in the same segment are equal. An angle in a semicircle is always 90 degrees. A radius meets a tangent at 90 degrees. Angles in the same segment are equal. An angle in a semicircle is always 90 degrees.